Good morning students. Today in accountancy session we are going to continue with unit 3 accounts of partnership firm fundamentals. Good morning students. Today's class we are going to see interest on drawings. What is this interest on drawings? I have already explained to you children drawings. What is meant by drawings? Drawings-na enna? இப்போ ஒரு பார்ட்னருக்கு பர்சனல் செலவு ஏதாவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா பார்ட்னர் அவனோட கேபிட்டல்லேருந்து பணத்தை வித்ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம் டு மீட் ஹிஸ் பர்சனல் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ். isn't it? That is called drawings. இப்போது ஃபேர்ம்லேருந்து பார்ட்னர் பணத்தை எடுக்கிறனால பார்ட்னர் வந்து ஃபேர்ம்லேருந்து கடன் வாங்கின மாதிரி அர்த்தம். ஸோ what the partner has to do is that he has to repay the amount whatever he has taken from the firm along with the interest. ஸோ பார்ட்னர் எவ்வளோ பணம் எடுக்கிறானோ ஃபேர்ம்லேருந்து அதுக்கு பார்ட்னர் ஹேஸ் டு பே த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? ஸோ தட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் on that is called as interest on drawings. You got me students? இப்போ interest on drawings is a income for the firm, whereas it is an expense for the partners. You understand? Because partner is paying interest and that will go to the firm and it will be credited, whereas it will be debited in partner's capital account. You got me students? Okay, now interest on drawing is in 3 methods. We will follow direct method, product method and average period method. First, let me explain to you what is direct method. Direct method, the drawings amount will be calculated or it will be given in the question. You have to calculate interest on drawing by taking the date of drawing to the end of the accounting period. You got me students? For that we are applying one formula. Interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing. It will be given in the question. Apply the rate of interest whatever is given in the question. Then period of interest. Period of interest that means the period up to which the amount you are using. You got me? It may be for 12 months or you may withdraw the amount in the middle of any year and then till accounting period you may be using that amount. So in that case the period varies. You got me students? Depending upon the number of month you are using the amount. Hope you understood this method children. Students, here is the journal entries for interest on drawings. You got me students? First interest has to be charged and then interest has to be closed. 2 journal entries we are going to read now. When interest is charged, the journal entry is partner's capital account or current account to interest on drawing account. You got me students? The narration is interest on drawing charged. So as I told you already, interest on drawing is expense for the partner because he is paying interest. To whom he is paying? He is paying interest to the firm. You got me students? So in partner's capital account the interest on drawing must be debited. It should written in the debit side as to interest on drawing. ஏன்னா பார்ட்னரோட கேபிட்டலுக்கு வந்து டெபிட் சைடெல்லாம் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸு, கிரெடிட் சைடெல்லாம் இன்கம்ஸ். isn't it not? Bring the capital account to your mind. ஸோ அதனால் பார்ட்னர் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங்கை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? டெபிட் சைடு என்ட்ரி பண்ணோம். அப்போ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்லி வாட் வில் பி த ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரி? பார்ட்னர்ஸ் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் டெபிட்டட் டு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங். சப்போஸ் நம்ம கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருந்தோம்னா கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட்டுன்னு போட்டு டெபிட் கிரெடிட் சைட் போத் சைட்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதுலேயும் வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? பார்ட்னர்ஸ் கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட் டெபிட்டட் டு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங்ஸ். யூ காட் மீ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த சார்ஜிங் என்ட்ரி. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங்கை நம்ம ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அப்ராப்ரியேஷன் அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணணும். யூ காட் மீ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? அப்போது இப்போ ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் நம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங்ஸை எந்த சைடு போடுவோம்? கிரெடிட் சைடு போடுவோம். ஏன்னா ஃபேர்மோட ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் வந்து ஃபேர்முக்கு வந்து நீ கொடுக்குற இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்து ஃபேர்முக்கு வந்து என்னது? இன்கம். அதனால் நம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங்கை பார்ட்னர்ஸோட ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் கிரெடிட் பண்ணணும். யூ காட் மீ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? ஸோ த ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரி கோஸ் லைக் திஸ். இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் ட்ராயிங் அக்கௌண்ட் டெபிட்டட் to profit and loss appropriation account. You got me students? So the narration is interest on drawings transferred and closed. Okay, next we will see to the calculation. Exercise 11, the question goes like this. Money is a partner he withdraw rupees 30,000 on 1/9/2018. Okay, that is in the month of September. Interest on drawing at 6% per annum is charged. So what is the rate of interest on drawing? 6%. Calculate interest on drawings on 31/12/2018, which means what? 31/12/2018 is the accounting year closing date. What do you want to do? You want to pass journal entries also. Now see, first we want to calculate. Calculation of interest on drawing. You got me, students? So you want to keep in your mind the September, that is the period of drawing. Money is withdrawing, 1st September he is withdrawing. So how many months he is using that amount, 30,000, from September to December. Okay, so September, October, November, December, it comes to 4 months. That is the period of interest. Okay children, next write the formula. Interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. So now I am going to write the sum for you. So amount of drawing given in the question is how much? 30,000. 30,000 into rate of interest is how much? 6/100. Into period of interest is how much? 4/12. You got me, students? So when you calculate this, you get an amount. So 1 6 are 6 and 2 6 are 12. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So the amount is rupees 600. You got me, students? So this is your interest on drawing. Now we want to post journal entries. Students, here is a solution for exercise 11. So this is the end of accounting period 31/12/2018, and I have passed the journal entries on that date, children. Money's capital account debited to interest on drawing. You got me, students? So for money, interest on drawing is a expense. So money's capital account is debited. The amount already we have calculated is 600 rupees. That 600 I have written. Next I have transferred the amount to profit and loss appropriation account. So what is the entry? Interest on drawing account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. So interest on drawing must be credited in the profit and loss appropriation account. You got me, students? So the journal entry will be interest on drawing account debited to profit and loss account. The same amount we have to transfer. Okay students, so what you want to do is that first you want to by heart the journal entries. You should note this, children, in the previous section, interest on capital. When we charged interest on capital, what is the journal entry? And when we transferred interest on capital to profit and loss account, what is the journal entry? The reverse of that both entry is the interest on drawing account. It's just the reverse of that entry only. Okay students, so you want to by heart the journal entry first. Okay. Hope you understood this sum, students. Now let us see exercise 12. The question goes like this. Santosh is a partner. Interest on drawing is 6% per annum during the year 31/12/2018. That means the accounting year is from January to December. His withdrawal is as follows. February 1 he is withdrawing 2,000. May 1st he is withdrawing 10,000. July 1 he is withdrawing 4,000. October 1st he is withdrawing 6,000. Now you can see here the month is also different and the amount is also different. Okay, so from the date of withdrawal to the accounting year end, we want to calculate the interest. Okay children, so let us see the sum how to do. Now solution for 12th sum, children. I have written the formula. You see, interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. Now the first drawing was in the month of February, isn't it not? So rupees 2,000, rate of interest is 6%. So from February to December, how many months you are having? 11 months you are having. So you want to calculate 11/12. So when you do the simplification, you get rupees 110. Similarly, second sum is 10,000 rupees he is withdrawing. Apply the rate of interest, and month of drawing is for 8 months. How that 8 months come? From May to December, 8 months. Okay children. Next is that 4,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 6% and he is withdrawing in the month of July. So it is 6 months. Next is the 6,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 6/100. he is withdrawing in the month of October. So October, November, December, 3 months. So when you do the simplification, you get this answer, children. You want to total all the interest amount, so that will give you the answer. Hope you understood this sum. Students, now let us work out exercise 14. Question goes like this. Matthew is a partner. He withdraw rupees 20,000 during the year 2018. Okay, you have to note this point. No date is given. Just the words during the year is given. Next you see interest on drawing at the rate of 10% per annum we want to calculate. Okay, so for the year 2018. Now you want to write the formula. Interest on drawing is equal to amount of drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. So the amount is 20,000, children. I have applied the rate here, that is 10%, and 6 by 12 is the period of interest. Now how the 6 by 12 comes means when the question is given like this, that is without when the interest date of drawing is not given. Date of drawing is not given, then you want to apply this formula. Okay, children, you want to consider the period of interest as 6 months. So I have calculated and I got the answer of rupees 1000. So take down this note also. If date of drawing is not given, then the period of interest is considered as 6 months. Hope you understood this sum, children. Students, now the second method of calculating interest on drawing is product method. How we are going to calculate interest on drawing in product method, we are going to see. Okay, children, interest is calculated on the total of the products. So that means your interest drawing amount will be given and the period of drawing will be given. You have to multiply it and find the product first. That is the product of amount of drawings and the period for which the amount remained withdrawn. You want to take. Then you want to sum up. Okay, children. Next is that if the product is calculated in months, suppose in months you are calculating drawing means, then interest is calculated as rate per month. That means the rate of interest, you have to take the months into calculation. That means we are writing the period, isn't it? How many months? For example, 3 by 12, 6 by 12, that is a period. So if the interest is calculated in months mean, then period also will be in months. That is 1 by 12, 3 by 12 or 6 by 12 or whatever it is. Then if the period is calculated in days, then the interest is calculated on the rate per day. That means you want to apply the same formula. First you want to find the sum of the product, you want to apply the rate of interest, but here you want to calculate for the days. Okay, so what is the total number of days in a year? 365 days. So based on that you will be calculating the number of days which is used divided by 365 days. So this is a formula, children. Interest on drawing is equal to sum of products into rate of interest into 12. Okay, in the previous examples we saw, here what did we apply here? Amount of drawings. So instead of amount of drawings we are applying sum of products here. So how to find the sum of product, I'll make you understand when we teach the sum. Students, exercise 15, question goes like this. Santosh is a partner. Interest on drawing is 6% per annum is given during the year 31/12/2018. His withdrawal is as follows. See, date is given. February 1st he is drawing 2,000 rupees and this 2,000 rupees is used till 31st December 2018. Next, May 1st he is drawing 10,000 rupees. He is using this amount from May month till December month. Next, July 1st he is drawing 4,000 rupees. This amount is used by him from July to December. Next, October month he is withdrawing 6,000. This drawing amount is used from October to December. So now we are going to use product method to calculate. Let us see the sum. 3. Students, exercise 15 solution here. Calculation of interest on drawing under product method. You want to write the heading like this. Now see, you want to prepare this tabular column, children. You want to study the content in the tabular column for product method. First column is the date of drawing. Second column, amount withdrawn as given in the question we want to take and write. Then we want to calculate period in months, and then we want to find the product. Okay students, so this is the tabular column which you want to read and then write. So first you see the question is, from the question I have taken and written all this. February 1, the amount of drawing is 2000. May 1st, the amount of drawing is 10,000. July 1st, the amount of drawing is 4,000. October 1st, amount of drawing is 6,000. See now children, we have to calculate the period in months. Okay, so February 1st till December, May 1st till December, July to December, October to December. So the period is from February to December children, 11 months, May to December 8 months, July to December 6 months, October to December 3 months. Now you want to find the product. So for product what you will do? Amount withdrawn into period. That means 2000 into 11. So how much you are getting? 22,000. Okay. Next 10,000 into 8. So you get 80,000. Next 4,000 into 6. So you get here 24,000. Next 6,000 into 3. You get here 18,000. You got me students? So when you total this product, the amount will be 1,44,000. Okay children, so this 1,44,000 is the sum of the product. You got me children? So you can write here, sum of the product is 1,44,000. Now we want to apply the sum of the product in the formula. Now see the formula children, interest on drawing is equal to sum of product into rate of interest into 1/12. So what is the sum of product we got? That is 1,44,000 rupees, 1,44,000. And what is the rate percentage? That is 6/100. And period, as I told you, it is in months, isn't it not? So 1/12. We calculated in the month only. You can verify the question. Now this will give you an amount of rupees 720 as interest on drawings when you calculate. You got me students? Hope you understood this sum. So that is all children. So product method is over. In the next section we will see average period method.